Hey, it's Ben. I have the SmartDawn smart curtain lights. Company sent this to me to check out, so let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, so I dumped the boxes out. What we have here is the lights all bundled up, and this is going to be where we need to plug in our power cord, and this is just a 2-prong cord. Also came with these instructions for setup. So this does require an app to use to do the animation. So let's see what we can figure out. So when you first get it out, it's a bit of a mess. And so what you're gonna do is at the top of each strand, there's a hook. And so you wanna separate these out. Ideally, you're gonna hook these up onto the top of a curtain. It's a kind of a small hook, so you gotta think through how you wanna do that. You might wanna put up some paracord or something, but it does look like it's made to hook on top of fabric. I don't have a space yet to hang these up, so I laid them out on our floor. It was a bit tedious because the top row was twisted all the way down and I had to rotate it. You can see how bent up the wires are from being in the box. So just be prepared that they will be like this at first and not perfectly straight as some of the product images suggest. So here's a close-up of the power button, which will have to be hanging as well. So that'll require another kind of solution because it's a little bit heavy. So here's my first time ever turning it on, and I've not hooked up this up to the app at all. It seems to be in like a demo mode because it's cycling through a lot of the different scenes. So I must say I'm impressed, a bit mesmerized by the effect. It's really cool. It's very pretty. It's a bit hard to make them out being so close because the wires are not straight, but you can sort of make out some of the images. I can imagine this will be a lot more effective when viewing it from the street from a bit more of a distance. So the lights are super bright, they're very colorful, the animation is fast, it's crisp. I'm very excited about getting this put up. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.